Hey, Kansas City, my name's Anthony Chara, and I'm going to be teaching an all-day workshop. Yes, all day long on Saturday, May 21st. Saturday, May 21st, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's going to be on apartment and multifamily investing. But a couple things you need to pay attention to. Number one, if you sign up before the end of the early bird deadline, you will get my quick analysis software for free. It's a $179 value. And you will get a workbook so you can take notes right along with the rest of the class on Saturday, May 21st. However, if you don't get signed up before the early bird deadline, you're still welcome to join us on Saturday, but you will not get the software and you may or may not get a workbook. We do print some extras, but as soon as they're gone, they're gone. So make sure you're there. Make sure you're there on time, because even if you sign up early and you're late, you will probably also not get a workbook. So don't be late and sign up early. Take action now. That's your reward for signing up early, is the software and the workbook. Also, I want you to bring your own deals. I want you to go out to websites, to real estate agents, whoever you need to talk to, owners directly, and bring in your commercial deals. They need to be, if it's an apartment, it needs to be 5 units and up. If it's got an asking price, income, expenses, vacancy, and all that stuff, great. The more stuff that you can provide, the better. If it's not included, bring it anyway. If you want to bring mobile home parks, storage facilities, anything like that, go ahead and bring them. We're going to get through as many as we can during the class, and if we don't get through yours, I will stick around at the end of the day and continue to answer your questions and analyze your deals. So I don't just run out the door at 5 o'clock. I will stick around as long as you need me to answer your questions so that you're satisfied. I am here all day for you on Saturday the 21st. So take advantage of it. I would love to see you there. So check out the website, get signed up before the end of the early bird deadline, and I will see you on Saturday, May 21st.